Horns up guys, welcome to Headbanger's Kitchen. It's the Super Bowl Sunday weekend and I want to know who you are rooting for. Are you rooting for the Philadelphia Eagles or the New England Patriots? Let me know in the comments below which team you support. So who am I rooting for? Well, I'm rooting for you to make one of my keto recipes this Sunday for the Super Bowl. Now, as a kid growing up in India, I have no connection to the Super Bowl, and as many of you know, I don't even like sports. I don't like sports at all. I don't watch no sports, but I know that the Super Bowl is a huge event in the US, and I know many of you are going to be tuning in and watching, and I also know that it's kind of a thing to have lots of people over, lots of good food, and watch the game together with your friends and family. And that's where I come in. So I've got recipes for you guys. I was sitting the other day and thinking, Super Bowl's coming up, everybody's talking about it, and I realized I have a whole bunch of recipes, keto recipes, that are absolutely perfect. So you don't have to break your keto on the Super Bowl Sunday. I mean, we've got wings, we've got so many different kinds of wings, we've got dips like baba ganoush and hummus, we've got pork ribs and barbecue stuff like barbecue chicken wrapped in bacon. I mean, you know what, I'll link you guys to the playlist. I made a playlist actually for Super Bowl keto snacks, or what did I call it? I called it Super Bowl keto snacks, and there's a little I button somewhere on top where you can click and get the playlist, or at the end of this video I will leave the playlist as well, and in the video description box below I will leave the playlist as well. So guys, check out the playlist. I hope you guys will make one of the recipes or many of them. In fact, if you plan to make any of my recipes for Super Bowl Sunday, please let me know in the comments below. If you're on Instagram, take a picture, tag me, hashtag Super Bowl Sunday and all that jazz, and you know what, I'm really looking forward to seeing what you guys are gonna make. Alright, so now that we're done talking about the Super Bowl, let's get to the second reason I've decided to make this video. I thought it would be interesting to kind of do a month in review video. So it's kind of like a vlog, but not really a vlog. And let me just sort of run you through what's been up with the channel in case you've been missing out. So last year in December, I kind of cut back on the recipe videos because I did the carnivore diet for 10 days and I vlogged that experience daily. So there were a lot of videos in December, but it was mainly the carnivore diet. Then after that, I kind of decided to try OMAD in the new year. But I thought I'd be a hero and do it like non-keto, and I sort of decided that instead of vlogging it daily, I would just wake up in the morning, do a live stream on YouTube and give you guys an update of the previous day. And what I noticed was that the viewership on this channel was dropping, so I took a step back. I reassessed why people were watching me. I made a video about it, and as I told you, recipe videos, keto recipe videos are my thing now, So I went back on the horse, or on the keto, recipe bandwagon, and I got back to doing keto recipes, and there were 10 recipes this month. We did chicken parm, we did pork chops, we did hummus, we did meatballs, we did meat sauce, we did omu rice, we did broccoli cheese soup, we did Eton mess, we did keto chicken korma, and the last one was the tandoori chicken wings. Whew, so that's 10 recipes this month alone. And if you've missed out any, go and watch them, check them out. I would love to get your feedback on the recipes. And I've been updating these recipes on headbangerskitchen.com as well, so they're all there, written recipes with macros and everything that you need. Also this month I did a Keto 101 series, so there are 3 videos out in that series. The first one was teaching you guys how to calculate your macros. The second was how to set up your MyFitnessPal and log recipes, and the third one was what can I eat on the keto diet. So that's what I've been doing this entire month. I've been working my ass off, guys, and I would love to know from you what recipes you want to see this month, February, and I think if there are topics that you would like me to talk about, I will continue the Keto 101 series as well. And I also must admit, I'm getting kind of tempted to start vlogging again, but I'm not sure what, because like I said, I think you guys are all here for the recipes and the food. Let's get that clear. I'm not a bodybuilder, I'm not a fitness guy, I'm not a comedian, I'm not, on this channel I am recipe guy, food guy. So what can I do? I'm just thinking out loud here, because you know what? That's what I enjoy. I enjoy talking to you guys. I enjoy getting your feedback. I enjoy reading all your comments. So you know what? I'll think about it. You think about it. If you got anything to say, as always, leave me a comment below. Anyway, as always, thank you for watching this video. I absolutely love you guys. And I will see you on the next episode of Headbangers Kitchen. Cheers, and well, enjoy your Sunday Super Bowl. Make sure you check out that playlist, and I will see you on the next episode of Headbangers Kitchen. Cheers and keep cooking.
Fill your Super Bowl Sunday with delicious keto food from Headbangers Kitchen. We've got tons of amazing recipes for you. Well, we've got 33 recipes to be precise. I mean, we got wings of different kinds, we got dips, we got barbecue recipes, we got kebabs, we got cucumber submarine sandwiches, we got it all. Just check out our recipes on www.headbangerskitchen.com and enjoy your Sunday. Super Bowl Sunday. Super Bowl Sunday. Super Bowl Sunday. Super Bowl Sunday.